Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to hide apps and games on Google Play. First step is to launch the Google Play Store app on your Android device. In the top right corner, type your profile picture to open the menu, then select Settings, then tap on Family to find the Parental Controls options. Now tap it and toggle the switch on. You'll be asked to create a PIN. This PIN prevents others from changing the restrictions. Under Apps and Games, select the age rating you prefer. For example, E for everyone to automatically hide mature apps from the Play Store. Just tap Save to apply the restrictions, and now apps and games beyond the selected rating will be hidden or restricted from being downloaded. Just a tip, you can adjust or turn off parental controls anytime by entering your PIN. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.